Most people get frustrated when a transfer fails on Dave, but here's the truth no one tells you. It is usually not a random glitch. It is almost always a small issue with eligibility, timing, or your connected bank. In this video, you will learn exactly why your Dave app transfer is failing in 2026, and how to fix it step by step so you can get your money moving again quickly. Let's start with the most common cause. One of the biggest reasons transfers fail is a connection issue between your bank and Dave. If your bank connection is outdated or unstable, the transfer simply will not process. So the first fix is simple. Open the app and reconnect your bank account. Make sure your login details are updated and your bank supports instant transfers. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Even if your bank is connected, your transfer can still fail because of eligibility limits. Dave uses internal checks based on your income pattern and account activity. If your deposit history is inconsistent, the system may block or delay transfers without clearly explaining it. But here's the problem most users overlook. Timing matters. If you try to transfer outside processing hours or during peak system load, the request can fail or get stuck in pending status. So always try again during normal banking hours. Now let's talk about another major issue. Insufficient available advance balance is a common reason. Many users think they have funds available, but fees or previous advances reduce the actual transferable amount. Check your dashboard carefully before retrying. Now here's a quick but powerful fix most people miss. Log out of the app completely and log back in. This refreshes your session and clears temporary errors that often block transfers. If that does not work, update the app. Outdated versions can cause transfer failures because back-end systems change frequently. Now let's cover bank-side restrictions. Some banks automatically block third-party cash advance transactions. If this happens, your transfer will fail even if Dave approves it. In that case, try linking a different bank account or debit card that supports instant transfers. Here is the step-by-step recovery path. First, reconnect your bank. Second, verify your available balance. Third, update the app. Fourth, retry during banking hours. And finally, if needed, switch your linked account. If none of these work, the issue may be account-specific and require support review inside the app. So to wrap it up, transfer failures are usually not permanent problems. They are small fixable issues related to connection, timing, or eligibility. Once you correct those, transfers usually start working again immediately. If this helped you fix your issue, like the video, share your experience in the comments, and subscribe for more clear troubleshooting guides on financial apps in 2026.